Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Danny's My Adventures. Today on this video we're going to learn how to get 500 MB of data for as low as 75 naira. Yes, as low as 75 naira. So before we go onto the video of today, please, if you are new to this channel, if you're new to this space, I would like you to click on the like button and also to click on the subscribe button below to get notified whenever a new content like this is dropped. And before we go on, I would like to say something again, that this video is strictly for MTN users. So let's go. We head over to our phone and we're going to press star 406 hatch. Star 406 hatch. So let's go. You can see it's loading. So right here we're going to see the joint pause, the 1.2 gig for 1 hour, the rest. But we're not that's not what we are going for. So we're going to go for number 3, which is the 9th life bundles. 9th life bundles number 3. Let's go. So right here we'll see in the next pop-up, we see they're telling us enjoy pause 9th life bundles from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. So we'll go with number 1. Then next pop-up again, you'll be charged 75 naira for the purchase of 500 MB pulse 9th life bundle. So you can choose your preferred payment method. You can pay with airtime, you can pay with pulse points, and you can pay with both pulse points and airtime. So for me, I'll go with airtime. Okay, let's go. You see over here in the next pop-up, you'll be charged 75 naira for the purchase of 500 MB pulse 9th life bundles. So we'll confirm and let's go. So after now, you can enjoy. Okay, it lasts from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning. So let me show you a shortcut. So just dial star 406 star 3 hatch. Okay, that's the shortcut. Star 406 star 3 hatch. You see, it will take you straight right to this page. Okay, so you select from here and you can also check your balance from here. So I can also give you a shortcut if you want to check for your balance. So it's star 406 star 3 star 2 hatch. Okay, yes, you see right now at the time of making this video, the time was not yet 11 p.m. so I don't have any data balance on my nightlife bundle yet. So from this said and done, please enjoy. Okay.